What's good, my peeps? This video is going to be a bit different. No charts, no setups, no crypto signals. It's just one trader speaking to other traders, yeah? And there's always been one thing like on my mind. Like, why is it so difficult to take profit? Like, you can make some serious gains, but for whatever reason, something stops you from taking profit. Like, you can read all the books, you can watch all the videos, you can listen to all the smart people in the world, but when it comes to securing that bag, why is it so difficult? Like, me personally, I used to suffer from that. But now I know, like, it's because I was a greedy little shit. Like, I wasn't grateful. So I'll turn 5K to 30K, and then I'll be like, yeah, I can do it. I can turn it to 60K now. I can turn it to 80K. And then obviously it doesn't happen. It starts going down. And then when it starts going down, that's when my mind finesses me. So let's say I've gone from 5K to 30K, yeah? And then let's say if it goes down to like 20K, I'll be like, fuck. I wish it bounces. That 30K is kind of, it wasn't that deep now, isn't it? Like, I'll take that 30K right now, yeah? And then it goes to 25, and then the greed kicks in again. It's like, yes, I know it's going to go above 30K. It's going to go to 35, 40. And then it goes down to 15. And then you'll be like, oh, please, God, please, just bring it back to 20K. I'll sell, I promise. And then it'll go down to 7K. And then you'll be pissed. You'll be like, fuck that. At least I got my money back. And then you cut out. Like, I used to suffer from that a lot. Like, seriously. Like, it used to piss me off. And then I just started thinking, like, what is wrong with me? Like, I make some serious gains, but I give it back to the market. Like really, like, what the fuck's wrong with me, right? That's what I kept on thinking. And then obviously the more I trade, the more like experience I started gaining, I started appreciating all the profits, whether it's 20%, whether it's 10%, whether it's 500%. I respected all of them the same way. Whether I got 20% on a trade or whether I got 500% on a trade, I promise you, I respect it the exact same way. As long as I didn't lose any money, I respect it the same way. As long, like, trust me, and I just hope by me making this video, someone sees it, and someone that's going through it, hopefully this is like a wake-up call, isn't it? Like, the reason why you're not succeeding, it's not because of the setups, it's not because of the trades, because you're doing all of that nicely. It's when it comes to taking profit, your mind plays games with you. Your mind will be like, oh, I want more. Or like, let me do this, or let me stay for a bit longer. Or you just start looking at the charts, you'll be like, yes, fuck the RSI, fuck this, fuck the moving averages, we're pumping. Or you might go in the Telegram group chat and they'll be like, yeah, this guy just invested in the coin, Elon Musk did it, bro, shut up. And then you'll be like, yeah, I'm staying in. It's a joke. Yeah, man, it's a joke. That's one of the main things, yeah, I suffered from. Another thing I used to suffer from is always not executing my trade. Like, I would have the best setup, the best entry, the best stop loss, and then I just won't do the trade. And then 4 hours later or the next day, boom, the trades took off. And I'll be like, fuck. And then I'll quickly just go and find another coin. And then I'll force a setup. I'll be like, yeah, this is high, low, low, whatever. And then I'll do a trade and then I'll lose. And I'll start thinking like, fuck, I should have entered in the first trade. Look how much money I made. I used to suffer from that as well. And then obviously that's no issue no more, because now I'm a true believer of, if you miss the train, don't worry about it. There's always going to be another train. Like before, when some like one of my mentors, when he tried to teach me that before, I wasn't hearing it. Whatever was coming out of his mouth was just going through one ear, out the other. Like I was like, yeah. I was like, yeah. Of course, yeah, that makes sense. Course. And then boom, I'll be like, shut up. Obviously, I won't say shut up to his face. In my head, I'm thinking, shut up, man. Come, let's go. Like, let's end the Zoom call. Like, this is long. Do you get? But now I've learned the hard way. So basically, what I'm trying to say is, yeah, what makes a good trader? Discipline makes a good trader. Having your own rules, because my rules is different from your rules. Like some of you only trade 1% of your capital. I don't do that. I'm just being honest with you. Though. I might trade 10%. I might trade 15%. It just depends on the trade. Depends on how confident I'm feeling, and it depends on how much money I made the previous month. Facts, yeah. So I've got my own little rules. Like if I get stumped out twice in one day, I won't trade again. If I feel like I missed the train, I won't trade again. And rule number one is if I feel FOMO, like real life FOMO, like everyone knows how FOMO feels, right? If I feel FOMO, I promise you, it's the hardest one. Rule number one is the hardest one, yeah? I just won't trade. I'm not trading the asset. I don't care if it's gold, silver, Bitcoin. It could be anything, bro. I won't trade it because I know how it feels. Like to be like, yo, like I need to get in. Like, look, and then my friend will send me something like, look, I just made 3x. I'll be like, fuck, he don't even know how to trade, and this guy made a 3x. I'll be like, nah, fuck that. I know how it feels. Trust me. Rule number one, no FOMO. Like rule number two, if you miss the train, safe. Rule number three, if you get stumped out twice, forget about it. Call it a day. And I've got these rules. And my rules are different from everyone else's rules because I had to learn to establish what my rules are. My rules benefit me. Do you get what I'm saying? And my rules are based on my risk tolerance. Do you get what I'm saying? So like everyone's risk tolerance is different. So like some people might be scared to lose $100. Some people might be scared to lose $1,000. Some people might be scared to lose $10,000. Like everyone's different. You feel me? So my rules are based on my experience and how I feel. And my rules are based on experience, emotion, and all of that stuff. And I you see these rules. I didn't just make them up in a month, in a week. It took time. My crypto journey, I've been here 5 years now. It took time. So in those 5 years, I'm just building. I'm just building. Like the more knowledge I'm gaining, the more experience I'm gaining. I just keep on building. So I'll be like, cool, I can't do this no more. Like scalping, scalping's not really my thing. I know how to scalp, but it's not really my thing. Swing trade's not really my thing. Like I found out what my thing is. You see what I'm saying? Pattern trading, that's not my thing. Like I used to pattern trade all the patterns, Head and Shoulders, Adam and Eve, fucking triple tops, double bottoms, the whole lot. I used to be a pattern trader, and that's not my thing. Do you know what I'm saying? Now I'm on that strictly this price action trader. I just trade the charts, market structure. That's my thing. But what I'm trying to say is, you see these things, you don't just, it doesn't happen overnight. So you see, like when my friends, not even my friends, just anyone who I speak to, like I might speak to an Uber driver, I might speak to my friends, they just think like, yo, cool. I'm just gonna step in the market and I'm gonna be a trader. I mean, bro, anything's possible. Feel me? Anything's possible. Yeah. But I just want you to understand, like, this shit, it's not like some overnight shit. But as long as you put the work in though, and you got the power of self-belief, you can do anything, bro. But don't think like, yo, I watched this 2 videos and my mentor said as long as I do this, no, bro. This shit takes time, dedication, discipline. As long as you got all of that, you're good. Feel me? I don't really do videos like this. Like, I usually just do the charts. I show you my thinking process. I show you why I enter. I show you the entries. I show you the targets. And yeah, that's what I normally do. But I just thought today, like, why not just do something different? You feel me? It's a new year. Why not do something different? And I really want to know in the comments, man. I want to know you lot's rules. What sort of rules you lot got? I want to know like how you trade, how long you've been trading, just shit like that. You feel me? Because my thing's 5 years. Well, it's coming up to 6 years soon. Leverage trading, 2.5 years. Before that, I used to just spot trade. I'm saying I made a killing of some coins, man. Made a killing of Hex 2020. If you know, you know. I made a killing of a lot of coins, bro. XRP army, I know you lot hate me right now. You don't need to understand. I was buying XRP before you lot even knew what crypto was. So you don't need to chill out, yeah? But yeah, Luna, before he got a rug pull. FTX, I lost how much? At least 40, probably more than 40 racks on FTX. That screwed me. Like all of these things, I've been here for a minute. You feel me? But yeah, man, this is just a quick video of just me chatting to my community. Just want to know like how everyone trades in it. You know what I'm saying? Everyone's different. I just want to know how everyone trade. But you don't know what to do, man. Like, subscribe, and all of that. I hit you up some more, and I'm gonna start going live. And when I go live, it's just gonna be straight boom trading. So I don't really like scalps, but on lives you have to scalp in it. So I don't think I'll be using the 3 minute. I'll be using like the 5 minute, probably 15 minute. But yeah, I just need to sort all of this. I just need to sort my whole thing out because I don't want to like just jump on live and make my stream look like some shit stream. So, and there's something new in it. So I just want to make sure I get it right. And then hopefully, God willing, I'll be doing live by the end of this week. I'll be doing live. I've been back testing a couple of things here and there. I don't like the way a couple of things is looking. Some things are lagging, some things not. My mic, I bought a new mic, but I don't like the way it sounds. So yeah, I'm gonna hit you lot with some more, man. You lot know what to do, man. Like if you haven't liked, you lot know what to do. Like, subscribe. Like I think it was like 89% of my viewers are not subscribed, but they're watching my shit. Come on, bruh. Like, make it make sense. Like, you're watching my shit. Like, and I'm not charging you for nothing. You feel me? Like, the least you can do is subscribe. Like, it's right there. Like, you see the thing right there? Lighten up, subscribe, bro. It's not that deep. Anyways, you don't know what to do, man.